Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a super useful topic: how to set up triggers for automated SMS follow-ups in GoHighLevel. Let's dive in. First, log into your GoHighLevel account. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to Automations on the left-hand menu. Click on it. Now go to Create Workflow section, and then click on Start from Scratch. This will open a new window where we can set up our trigger. Let's give our workflow name. For this example, I'll call it SMS Follow-up. Now that we're on the Triggers page, click on the Add New Trigger button. Next, we'll select an event that will activate our SMS follow-up. You can choose from options like Appointment Booked. Now let's add the action that will send the SMS. Click on Add Action and select Send SMS from the drop-down. Here, you can craft your message. Keep it concise and engaging. Once your message is ready, click on Save Action. Your automated SMS follow-up is now set up. To ensure it works as intended, you can test it by triggering the event manually. Now click on Publish button and then click on Save button. You've successfully set up triggers for automated SMS follow-ups in GoHighLevel. This is a great way to enhance your communication and follow-up strategy. Looking to enhance your efficiency and optimize your lead management? Check out GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial and make sure to schedule your kickoff call to get started smoothly. You'll find all the links in the video description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.